So we got just a small little problem. This entire wall is blank and it really bothers me. So I will be reviewing and unboxing the Nanoleaf light panels. But before we get into this video, I'm going to give you 10 seconds to drop down below, hit that red subscribe button, smash that like button, and don't forget to click that little bell because that lets you know that I post my next video. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So I will be reviewing and unboxing the Nanoleaf light panels. These things are really cool. They come in starter packs of 9 and 15, and we're out of stock of the 15 panels, so they're also out of stock of the expansion packs where you get three panels per expansion pack. So I made my own expansion pack and just bought additional extra panels. I bought like 6 of these and made my own expansion pack. So all in all, I got 15 panels. This also comes with the rhythm module, which allows you to play, or when you're playing music, the lights will respond with the music, making really cool, colorful waves. The starter pack comes with 9 panels, 9 stencil paper sheets so you can trace your design on the wall before you mount it, 1 rhythm module, 9 linkers, 1 power adapter, 28 sticky pads, and a connector to connect the power adapter to the wall. These panels allow you to visualize your music. They have full spectrum lighting, animated lighting, and voice control. Also works with Apple HomeKit, IFTTT, Amazon Alexa, and Google Assistant. So I'm gonna get my trusty unboxing scissors and open this thing up. I've been wanting these things for years, really have. So this is going to be as much a surprise as it will for me and for you. Oh shoot.
5 minutes later.
And open this up. Ooh. So here we have the starter manual with your Nanoleaf, or with the HomeKit code, which will be blocked out because I don't want you guys controlling my lights from wherever in the world. Next we have the actual panels themselves. They're decent size, and there's little linkers that you just slide inside here, and these, apparently what I've heard from, it's really, really bright. So yeah. And then we have the additional rhythm module, which has a little microphone here, so it can adjust to the sounds in the room. You just attach it to here, it hangs on there, and it makes really cool effects on the panels themselves. Next up is the actual, or some of the sticky pads. And these will help you, so you put 3 on each panel, 1 right here, 1 right here, and 1 right here, and you stick it on the wall. And you can pick whatever design you want, up to you. Next up is the power module. This thing just hangs into one of the panels, and it powers it, and you have to plug it in using this box right here. You plug this guy into here, and then that guy from here and to here, and you plug that into the wall. So this is a really long cord, so you don't have to worry about distance or the cord not being long enough to reach the power spot. Next up are the additional little panels. I guess they just came in individually envelopes, so let's see what you get inside one of these. You open this up, you get 1 one additional panel and one connector and 3 little sticky pads so you can mount them on the wall. Comes in a little plastic, I guess, just to keep it all packaged up. Now I think it's time to set these things up and make a design. These panels took about an hour to think of design, and then about, let's just say 30 minutes to put them actually up on the wall. They look really cool. I can control them with my HomePod over here just by saying, "Hey Siri, light panels red." And they turn into a bright, bright red. It's hard to see on the camera, but they're very, very bright. The power module is very easy. It has a power button and a mode switcher button, so you can select from your selected scenes. When you click this scene selector, it switches between one of the scenes that you have, and you keep clicking till you see the scene you like. The power button is very simple. Click it, turns off. The rhythm module is pretty easy to use. All you have to do is connect them to on the side of one of the panels, and you're good to go. It uses this small microphone to listen to the music, causing the lights to change colors. You can select from a variety of scenes in the app, but to switch some of the scenes manually, just click this rhythm button, and it will start reacting to your voice. You can also change the scene by clicking the button again. "Hey, what's up?" Or, "Hey, what you doing?" The way I hit this power cord is by running it behind my computer where it hides the cord, down behind the desk, and on the back side of my desk, all the way around and into my power strip right there. Let me show you how the app works. When you first click into the app, you will notice where it says add a device. You will then click Nanoleaf Light Panels. It will pop up with a short display telling you about the panels and information about them. Then it will say pair an accessory, and you're going to wait a minute for your accessory to pop up, and it shouldn't take long. And as you can see, it pops up really quickly. All you have to do is click on that accessory, and then you click allow, and then you wait for your panels to connect to your Wi-Fi. They will flash green once they're ready. This should only take about a minute and a half. So as you can see now, the lights are flashing green, and wow, may I say they're bright. Then it pops up with a HomeKit setup code. So now I'm going to go find my code on my user manual pamphlet, scan that, it'll connect, and you want to make sure you're nearby the accessory and connected. Now that you've done that, you can go to the Explore page and learn about the features and more about the product and its connectability. Then you can go to the Discover page where there's boatloads of presets and scenes you can choose from. Some of them really cool. One of them is Ocean. This is like blues and lighter blues, and it fades through all the colors in the array. Then there's one, I guess, Rain. And it rains down throughout the panels. And then Trill Energy thing goes through different colors with different really cool patterns and a cool effect. Another one is Beach Waves. It's different colors of the beach and just fades through the different colors. And another one is Bedtime. Fades through more colors. And Mint So as you can see, there's many scenes to choose from. If you would like to go buy yourself some panels, I will leave a link in the description below. I will warn you, these lights can get pretty pricey. Alright, so I will catch you guys up in the next video. Peace.